Okay, here we are at Ocean Gardens. Let's kind of do a little 360. Over there's some waterfront area. Big plaza. Surrounded by apartments, and we're gonna walk around in the middle of this. So hang with me.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are in Ocean Gardens. Those are some parking lot structures down there. This one looks like it's just a thing that goes up into the air. And then you can see some pedestrian walkways like this. And so it looks like a lot of the apartments are connected through all these elaborate parking garage stuff that covers up the first 3 stories, I believe, 4 stories. Might be interesting to go up to one of those. Looks like you'd have to go up like that or find some other way to go up. Looks like they probably have nice apartments around here. Some parks in here, places to sit like that. Not as much. You think this would have more like shade, like places to sit with shade. It's I don't know many Chinese people that like to sit in the sun. Usually the women will use umbrellas. I'm surprised they don't have more shade here. But this is a nice place for families. I think they give you bigger apartments and it's a little bit more self-contained, and you got your own post office, a supermarket, some cafes and restaurants. So you kind of got your basic stuff. The 3rd street of the Jardins of Ocean Gardens. So yeah, this is Ocean Gardens. We're going to give you a little taste of it. You can see over on that side, Ocean Gardens basically hits the ocean from behind me. And it's a bit of a walk to get over there, so I don't want to have these super long videos, but there is an ocean over there. I have filmed over there before anyways, but this one we're going towards the mountain over there. And we're on Hua, the street of the garden. Let's just kind of take a look in some of this stuff. So this is what some of the streets look like. And you can basically see there's tons of parking lots, parking spaces, and then tons of apartments above them. So the basic concept in these is there's, I don't know how many buildings, but there's the Apricot building. They all have different names. This one is the Violet. So that's the Violet building right there. So they kind of have the same structure, right? Big massive parking areas for all the cars to be accommodated. And then they go right up against this mountain. This is called Taipa Pequeño, which is Little Taipa. So imagine in a long time ago there was more water in different places, so you'd have like Little Taipa and Big Taipa. So this would have been Taipa Pequeño, because this little hill thing that sticks out of the water, right? Let's see, I think we want to go down this way. Avenida of the Gardens of Ocean Gardens. Should have walked down that one. Then this blue looks like is that a dump truck? I think so. I guess I should legally cross right in this space. So we're going to take a look at some of the commercial businesses around here. Yeah, a lot of the buildings look kind of the same. But I do know some people that live here and they seem quite happy and content here. So now we're on the main street. So back there you can kind of see layers of apartments that go back there. They kind of have the same theme, right? So, and then there's Ocean Plaza. Then that one they have like a gym, yoga studio, supermarket, bunch of office space kind of stuff. Looks like this one is doing some construction work on the side here. No, this one looks like it's all fruits. Yeah, it's a store with this selling fruits. I think this one they're gonna do something new with it. Looks like it used to be like Japanese comic books. That makes sense. You got a lot of, I think there's a lot of families here, so a lot of kids, of course, want some comic books if they could get them. Nika, looks like it's maybe pharmaceuticals and diapers and snacks and 7-Eleven. I know a bunch of people that hang out here. Good place to hang out. And I think we're gonna walk over towards that way, the supermarket, so you can get an idea of the other side of the street. There's a Ocean Gardens light rail train station. I'm just gonna walk down this way a little bit, show you all this bus. Now we're gonna be on the sunny side of the street, and over here we have Ocean Plaza, which has a supermarket. So I think we're gonna show you that whole stretch like that. Got a supermarket here. This one has some pretty big windows, so I think what we'll do is show you some of the supermarket. Looks like that a little bit. Fresh produce. Check out all your prices if you want. You can always stop and pause and check out details if you want. It's about 10 American dollars, 8 mop to the dollar. American dollar, that's about $2. More of it inside. I'm not allowed to bring the camera in, so I usually just don't even bother. I know a lot of people want me to bring the camera in. They want to see what's in the supermarkets and the stores, but I don't really. I don't usually do it. I think it's all private property, so could do it anyways. Could always get away with anything, really, but. But if you really want to know like how much a gallon of milk costs, I can look it up without going in the camera for it. Or if you want to know like dairy prices, sure I could take a camera in for a minute. Just kind of do all dairy prices. So this is all Ocean Gardens. So you kind of got a big labyrinth of apartments everywhere. And as you can see, they go all the way down to the ocean. So yeah. And I think there's a number of buildings here. So there's they all have different names. So there's Magnolia Court and the, you know, on and on and on. I think you saw a little bit of that initially anyways. Okay. This right here is Ocean Tower. I guess that looks like all office buildings, office space. Okay, so maybe kind of interesting anyways. We'll probably close it down in a minute. We're gonna be walking by a hospital shortly, so maybe I'll just stick with the camera a little bit more. Oh, look at that, you got some kind of cool space in here. Maybe let's walk in here to maybe be a little interesting. Can I walk through it? Maybe no. Maybe I have to walk back out. But that's kind of cool. Love these trees. It's funny how they use the trees though, right? They just put like tire in there, mop is in there, kind of random stuff. This one has more stuff like that. Put your tires, and this one says private exclusive use, so you can't put your brooms in there. Only the brooms that are private land. So I guess you can't use that either. Rats, okay. Okay, let's keep on going. And we're gonna conclude up by this hospital right here. There's a tiny little Ocean Gardens clinic. And since we're so close, there's no reason not to film it, right? Am I right? Beautiful, nice landscaping. So this is the clinic right here. So you could drive in and park, but I don't think there's hardly any parking in here. So yeah, we're going to be concluding in Ocean Gardens in a moment. I think the hospital has a little play area for kids. That's good. Keeps the kiddos busy, I guess. Another bus stop here, and over there is a Cafe Ocean corner and supermarket. So there's a couple of supermarkets here and a bus stop. Okay. So just gonna go a little bit further, and we're gonna end it shortly. I think a lot of people park right here too. I didn't realize you could park here. I guess you can. I think it's highly illegal, but it looks like a lot of people are parking on both sides of the street. I guess there's a lack of parking for the commercial. Maybe that's why, I was thinking they should have more commercial, but maybe that's why they don't have so much. Okay, so this is the clinic up here. Let's go up here just a little bit. So yeah, there's a clinic. So that's the hospital. I think this might be, maybe that might be a preschool. That might be why we saw the playground area. And so you have the Ocean Gardens up here, and this is all of the hospital stuff. And people are doing the vaccine as well. So okay. In the back over there is kind of there's like a little fortress over there. We will just try to capture it from the median. So yeah, there's a little fortress right there. So that's kind of the end of Ocean Gardens. Then it goes into some other buildings, and later you can get in the Cotai Strip. So I think we're gonna end it right here. There you go. Ocean Gardens. Pretty cool little space. So yeah, it's Ocean Gardens right there. So we're gonna end this one right there.
Chiquinha,